Looking for the perfect sofa for your home in 2026? Whether you need something stylish, space-saving, or ultra-comfy for lounging and sleeping, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best sofas of 2026, including budget-friendly picks, convertible designs, and cozy floor sofas perfect for modern living. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Number 1. MAXYOYO L-shaped folding sofa bed. An L-shaped convertible sofa bed with armrests, pillow, and foldable design. Taking the top spot, this sofa combines style, functionality, and comfort. The L shape adds extra lounging space and it easily converts into a bed. It's perfect for both relaxing and hosting guests. Pros: unique L-shaped design, convertible into bed, comfortable and spacious. Includes armrests and pillow. Cons: requires more space, slightly heavier, floor-level seating. The best overall sofa on this list, ideal for anyone wanting a balance of comfort, style, and functionality. Number 2. HOMFINE Folding Sofa Bed, a memory foam fold-out sofa bed designed for comfort and portability. This sofa is all about flexibility. Use it as a chair, lounger, or bed. The memory foam provides better support than most floor sofas, making it suitable for longer use. Pros: high-quality memory foam, multi-position design, comfortable for sleeping, lightweight and portable. Cons: low height, floor sofa, simple design, not ideal for formal living rooms. A solid pick for comfort and versatility, especially for dorms or casual setups. Number 3. MeMoreCool Boneless Folding Sofa Bed Queen. A queen-size folding sofa bed with corduroy fabric, detachable pillow, and washable cover. This is where comfort meets practicality. It easily transforms into a bed, making it ideal for guests. The corduroy finish adds a premium feel, and the foam support is surprisingly good. Pros: converts into a queen bed, washable cover, soft premium fabric, great for guests. Cons: takes up floor space, no elevated frame, slightly bulky. An excellent multi-purpose sofa bed, especially for guest rooms and flexible living spaces. Number 4. 57-inch Loveseat Folding Sofa Convertible. This is a 2-in-1 Loveseat and chaise lounge designed for small spaces with a sleek mid-century style. This sofa stands out for its versatility. You can switch from a standard Loveseat to a chaise lounge in seconds. It's compact but functional, making it perfect for studio apartments. Pros: convertible 2-in-1 design, space-saving, stylish mid-century look, easy to adjust. Cons: limited seating space. Cushioning is matawasit, medium comfort. Not ideal for tall users. Perfect for small apartments and modern aesthetics, but not the best for long lounging sessions. Number 5. MAXYOYO 59-inch Beanbag Sofa Couch. This is a modern beanbag-style love seat designed for deep seating comfort. It comes fully assembled, just unbox and relax. If you love a casual, laid-back vibe, this sofa is a great pick. The boneless design molds to your body, making it perfect for movie nights or gaming sessions, especially ideal for smaller spaces like apartments or bedrooms. Pros: no assembly required, super soft and comfortable, lightweight and easy to move, modern, minimalist design. Cons: lacks firm support, not ideal for formal seating, can lose shape over time. A great choice for comfort lovers and casual setups, but not for those needing structured support. And that wraps up our top 5 best sofas of 2026. If you're looking for the best overall pick, the MAXYOYO L-shaped sofa bed is hard to beat. But if comfort, space-saving, or guest use is your priority, there's definitely a perfect option here for you. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out and find the one that fits your space and style. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.